Hello everyone, I'm hitting the road again today. We're just gonna drive around, keeping it safe. And there's one or two places I want to go to, but I'm gonna see. I've put on makeup for the first time, not a lot, not even foundation, nothing. I just put on eyebrows and eye pencil. There the gate opens. Ready for me to leave. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I get earrings in. Guys, I didn't know if this earrings was going to go in my hatches because I put in my own hatches with a needle. With a needle in Senate 4 and with surgical spirits, and I was sitting actually in class and I pushed and pushed the needle through and I got the holes, and then we put the riches in, and then you burn the riches on both sides with a match or a lighter, and that's how I put my own hatches in my ear. No, true as Bob. That's because then I'm always wondering, are they gonna close? Are they gonna close? But they didn't. So it felt so good to put earrings on and some lipstick and whatever. But anyways, we're on the road again. Join me, and we're gonna see where the road takes us. And we're leaving again. Bye, house. See you later. Okay guys, so we're back at Woolies. I just need to get some Dania sausage because we're gonna have a braai later or tomorrow, and a few greens, fruits and veg. I'm not gonna record, I'm just gonna leave my phone here and just go in quickly and come out, and let me show you. There we go. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, I was getting very, very hot. It doesn't look hot, but it is very, very hot. And I get hot flushes. I'm just taking a breather. And we're here by Fatima's Cafe. Wat doen Nika? The garage. Okay guys, we're in Lansdowne Road now. You guys see that green shop? That shop has got everything under the sun. Silver tree. Okay guys, we're going to Mitchell's Plain now, to my twin sister Khaja. A quick pop in. She has no idea I'm coming. Yeah. That's Strandfontein there. So we're going down the beach road. Okay, here we are by Gaja. Maar alles lekker so toe. Come, let's see what's happening. Gaja, waar is jy? Ek is hier voor by jou huis.
Ek lê. Oh my word, die huis is nog frik vuil. Oh, word, why didn't you tell me you're coming?
It's a surprise.
Jy gaan opmaak.
Stiek Gaja van weg.
No, Fatima.
Going to Gaja now. Oh, look at Gaja's garden. Let me see. Mooi plantjes. Aardappels, waar sien jy treintjies?
It died.
Hi, boss. But why?
It was. I thought that was the shady part.
No, it must be in the shade. Lekka, salam. Leila? Leila, say hello to the people. Sy stiek jou weg agter die fridge.
Yeah, I didn't even wash my face yet.
Kom uit daar, Gaja, kom uit.
Dit is nog eens oppie. Ja. En ik heb allergies en mijn oren van swell. Yo, dit was je eerste keer hier? No?
Hello, Clover. Come here, my baby. Come here.
Breakfast.
Come here. Clover. Where's your Clover? I miss you. Where's your Clover, man? Mens kan niks sien, hier is so donker daar.
So can you imagine who it is, what it is.
Okay, and by Gaja. Gaja's just rushing around to get them. Ooh, sy sê, ek het eens eyepinsel nie. My twin sister is still in shock.
Ja, ik weet
That
niet
I'm
om te
here.
functionen.
Sy sê sy weet nie om te function nie.
It's like I'm everywhere. Hi, Bo! No. Terug daar. Layla? Come here, quickly, Kanala. Oh, this is not going to be something, Fatima. Assad, come here now. So, for the day, when I take a rose and come for the day. So, just do your thing. And now,
Leila, everyone says that I look just like you. Is it true? My twin, this is my other twin,
like
guys.
something that was.
And the one that dances. If you want to see her dancing, go to my Instagram account. And I post always her dancing. She's a professional. No?
And now it's like everywhere. And now
No,
I
what
can
is
sit
it,
for the
hot
first
pot?
time in 3 years.
Oh,
I can
okay.
sit in the sun without the
Okay.
sun. I don't know what's happening. But I'm not questioning it, I'm just saying, alhamdulillah. Enjoying it. I slept last night for the first time right through. Because I will wake up 4 or 5 times a night. Like, just in pain or discomfort. But not where you feel, oh, we're dying, not that kind of thing. Man. Just like a pain and discomfort. Like 5, 6 out of 10. Fatima. No, you lost weight, young. You're looking smart.
I know.
Op my expense. Oh my word, let me just go put in my teeth.
I'm seeing my nephew for the first time in 2 years. Salam. Salam.
Je bent die Fatima? Kom maar in. Kom maar in. Je bent die Fatima. Die Fatima bought you a present. Shukran.
What did you say?
Sadie boy. Come here. Come. Come here.
Come inside.
Salam da.
Kijk, dat wil je zien.
Wat wil je nou allemaal?
Ja, voor dentist doen.
What is this? A slug. I don't know.
I'm eating kete. Guys, look how Clover's watching me. Into Haja.
Ik wacht niet op die tafelpillen daar. Maar koos, French toast and whatnot. Yes, Mama, these are the things. Mama show you. Mama show you. Mama show you. This one.
Okay, Haja's made some food. Ik kan nogal niks zien nie. Van die phone nie. Okay. I'm gonna eat now.
So what is
Tell them what the trick is with the grass. Haja.
what?
Say vir hom hoe doen jy dit?
Daar, there's papers here. There's few papers.